we, the people of Indian subcontinent, have a special place in our heart for this plant, this mogra or belly. We love the smell, love the look of this flower. We just love it. This is a perennial plant and can easily be grown in small pots in balcony. In today's video, I will share the care tips for this mogra or belly so that you can get maximum flowers during summer months from your mogra or belly. So, welcome to Plantify. Gardening is a great hobby that helps us to relieve our stress. So, our garden care routine should be stress-free. It should be simple. So, I will cover simple and minimal care tips for belly or mogra, the kind of care I take for my plant. You can grow belly in normal garden soil. Add some compost with the soil. Pot size could be 6 to 7 inch initially, and as your plant grows, you may repot it to 8 to 10 inches pots. That should be enough. Belly can be grown in full sunlight or partial sunlight. Partial means 6 to 7 hours of sunlight. Water whenever the topsoil dries out. In winter, this plant goes into dormancy. During that period, moderately water it. Do not overwater. Now, the special care that you need to do annually. Flowering season for belly is summer. To get maximum flowering during summer, you need to give it a special care treatment during spring. First, you need to prune the plant. Prune all dead, dried and lanky branches and clean dead or diseased leaves. You can see how I pruned my plant. A very important thing to remember before any kind of pruning is to sterilize the cutter or pruner. Sterilizing is simple. Just take Dettol, Savlon or rubbing alcohol in a cotton ball and wipe off the cutter or pruner blades. Now loosen up the topsoil and add fertilizer. You may repot the plant at this time if your plant is root bound. See, my plant is 4 years old and it is in a 7 inches pot. Probably I will repot it after a year or a couple of years. The fertilizers that I have used is a mixed organic fertilizer that I bought from local nursery. This fertilizer is a mixture of mustard cake powder, bone dust, horn meal, neem cake powder. Water the plant thoroughly immediately after fertilizing. See, after 1 week of pruning, new leaves started showing up. And after 3 weeks of the care treatment, we could see the buds. At this stage, you can add 1 teaspoon of fertilizer once a month. Do not fertilize during monsoon and winter. Why? Because fertilizing during monsoon increases the chances of fungal infection. And during winter, the plant will go in dormancy, and fertilizing during that period is a kind of overfeeding for that plant and can cause fertilizer burn. Pinch off the stalk part once the flowers are dried to encourage more flowering. Take care of your plants in this simple way and enjoy this beautiful flower. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Plantify. See you next week with another video. Till then, bye bye.